खाटू वाले की जय, श्याम प्यारे की जय।
Hello everyone, welcome back to Bihara classes. In the previous video we had studied one of the similarity law or the rule, that is AAA, angle angle angle, which can also be taken as AA similarity rule. Now we'll study about the second similarity rule, that is SSS. It states that if ratio of corresponding sides of two triangles are equal, then two triangles are similar to each other. This is if we have two triangles, say ABC and triangle DEF, and here AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF equals to CA upon FD. So this is the ratio of the three sides of the two triangles. Now if these three sides are in proportion, then the triangles are to be proved that they are similar to each other. So in order to prove this, again we'll have the construction similar to what we did in the previous theorem. That is, we are going to take points P and Q on side DE and DF in such a way that AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ, and then we are going to join PQ. Now let's move towards the proof of this. Now the proof. Now here we are given that AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF equals to CA upon FD. Now these are the parts which are given to us. This is given. Or let us take the required one, that is AB upon DE is equal to AC upon FD. Now this is the same part. I have left over this middle ratio, taking only the two of the ratios. Now AB we have taken it as equal to DP and AC we have taken it as equal to DQ. Therefore we will replace AB with DP. So it is DP upon DE equals to AC will be replaced with DQ. So it is DQ upon FD, because by construction AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. Now after doing this, if you check out this triangle now, what we have the ratio DP upon DE equals to DQ upon DF. So this is again a type of the result of Thales theorem, that is the basic proportionality theorem. This is one of the result which we have. So here using this we get PQ is parallel to EF. This is by converse of the Thales theorem or the basic proportionality theorem. So taking the converse, we get PQ is parallel to EF, because as I told you that there are three results of the Thales theorem, the basic proportionality theorem. One is dP upon PE equals to dQ upon QF. The next result which we can be derived is dP upon DE equals to dQ upon DF. And the third result which can be derived is dE upon PE equals to dF upon QF. So out of that, this is one of the result. So hence by converse of Thales theorem or the basic proportionality theorem, we can say that PQ is parallel to EF. Now if PQ and EF are parallel, therefore this angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 and this angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. This is by because they are the corresponding angles. Now these two triangles TPQ and DEF, here two angles are equal and this is the third common angle. So we can say that triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. Say we take only the AA similarity rule, because two angles we are already showing it. So using that we can prove that the two triangles are similar to each other. Now if these two triangles are similar, we have here that DP upon DE, DP upon DE is equal to PQ upon EF. It is equal to PQ upon EF. Triangles are similar, so ratio of the corresponding sides will be equal. Now here this what is there, again DP, it is equal to AB. So we can say here that AB upon DE is equal to PQ upon EF, because DP is equal to AB by construction. Now if you consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2, this ratio AB upon DE is common in this. So AB upon DE, it is equal to PQ upon EF, and AB upon DE, it is also equal to BC upon EF. So from equation 1 and 2 we have BC upon EF equals to PQ upon EF. Here this AB upon DE, we are replacing it with BC upon EF. So replacing it, we get BC upon EF equals to PQ upon EF. Now again if you compare here, the denominators on both the sides, they are equal. Therefore the numerators will also be equal. So BC is equal to PQ. So what we have here now, this side BC, it is equal to PQ. And when this is equal, then triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. Now AB is equal to DP, AC is equal to DQ, BC is equal to PQ. So these two triangles, all the three sides are equal, hence they are congruent to each other. SSS congruence rule. Now when these two triangles are similar, therefore triangle ABC, sorry, not similar, these are congruent to each other, and congruent triangles, they are considered to be similar also. So we have that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DPQ. But we have proved that triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. Here we have proved this, that DPQ and DEF, they are similar to each other. So what does this we have? We have that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DPQ, which is further similar to triangle DEF. So all the three triangles, they are similar to each other, or we say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Hence it is proved. You might feel it a little bit confusing, but if you go through it once, it will be easy for you to understand. Now let's move towards the next theorem. The next rule says it is SAS similarity rule, or SAS law, similarity law. So SAS, as you have done in congruence rules also, SAS means two sides and the included angle should be equal. So here the two sides which are proportional to each other, the included angle, if it is equal, then we say that the two triangles are similar. So statement says if in two triangles any two corresponding sides are proportional and the angle included between them are equal, then both the triangles are similar to each other. So here again we have two triangles ABC and DEF. These are in such a way that AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF, and we are given that angle A is equal to angle D, and we have to prove that triangle ABC and triangle DEF, they are similar to each other. So construction, again the same similar type we are going to take. We are going to take 2 points P and Q on DE and DF such that AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. So taking these, now let's move towards the proof of it. Now proof is, first we'll start with the triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, this triangle and this smaller triangle from this which is being separated. Now here what we have AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to TQ. This is by construction. Also angle A is equal to angle D. This is already given to us. So with this we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ, and this is congruent by SAS congruency rule. So if these two triangles are congruent, we'll consider that these two are similar also. That will come to it later on. Now here what we have, we are also given that AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF. This is already given to us. Here this ratio is given to us, and by construction we have taken that AB is equal to DP. So we'll replace this AB with DP upon DE, and AC it is equal to DQ. So it is DQ upon DF, because by construction AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. Now with this, DP upon DE equals to DQ upon DF. DP upon DE equals to DQ upon DF. This is one of the result of the Thales theorem, the basic proportionality theorem. And because of that, PQ will be parallel to EF, and this is by converse of basic proportionality theorem, or which is also known as the Thales theorem. So we get that PQ and EF, they are parallel to each other. Now if these two are parallel, of course these angles will be equal. So let this be taken as angle 1 and this as angle 2. Therefore angle 1 equals to angle 2, and this angle, let's say it is 3, and this angle, let's say it is 4. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4, because these are the corresponding angles. So we have these two, that angle 1 equals to 2 and angle 3 equals to 4. Now if these angles are equal, then these two triangles, that is DPQ and triangle DEF. What about these two triangles? Triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. This is by AA similarity. So by AA similarity, the triangles, they are similar to each other. Now triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. We have proved this. So if triangle ABC and triangle DPQ are congruent, then as in the previous theorem I told you that if they are congruent to each other, then it means that they are similar to each other also. So triangle ABC and triangle DPQ, they are similar to each other. Now if you consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2, here DPQ is similar to triangle DEF, and here ABC, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DPQ. So from these two equations, from equation 1 and equation 2, we have here that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, and this is what it was to be proved. So these were the three different similarity rules which are there. So the first similarity rule is AAA, or which can also be reduced to only AA. The second similarity rule is SSS. If all the three sides are proportional to each other, then triangles are similar. If all the three angles or only two corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles are similar. And the third one which is there, that is SAS. The ratio of two triangles, the two sides should be equal and their included angle is equal, then the triangles are similar. So these are the three similarity rules which are there, based on which we can prove the two triangles similar to each other. So this is there for today. Now in the next video we'll continue with the exercise. So till then, thank you all and have a nice day.